It's a chilly, dry night around Birmingham. 44 with wind out of the south at 7 miles per hour. The south breeze is actually holding the temperature up at the airport just a touch, but look at Aniana where it's calm. 28, Pell City at 30, Anniston at 33, Gadsden on Lookout Mountain at 30. And it's 38 in Alabaster, already down close to freezing in Centerville, too. To the west, the weather is nice and quiet in the short term, but that changes drastically in the next 36 hours. We'll be cold tonight, frosty in the morning, and sunny, and actually not half bad tomorrow. A high close to 59 degrees in the middle of the afternoon after a chilly start. Pretty frosty to start the day, but then we turn those 30s around to 50s east of Birmingham and even up on Shades Mountain, Vestavia Hills, only about 57 degrees. West Blockton, 60, Fayette at 60, Tuscaloosa at 61, around 62 in Utah, and then mid-50s farther to the northeast up in northeastern Alabama. Alert day on Friday, 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Very high wind gusts, very similar to what happened Monday night into early Tuesday. We get a second dose of that, if not a bit more intense. And to go with this one, there's also potential for large hail, strong damaging winds within thunderstorms, and a few tornadoes. The greater risk of tornadoes mainly southeast of Birmingham. In the orange shaded area here, that's the level 3 enhanced risk. So I've got the timeline on here versus the normal risk categories that we see. The orange would represent the greater concentration of where severe thunderstorms would likely develop. The yellow is nothing to sneeze at here. There's still a chance we could have a storm or two that could be severe. Tuscaloosa, Birmingham to Jasper. And then in North Alabama, this is an iffy situation. We just want everybody to pay attention to this because it's a very volatile kind of weather setup and a fast-paced weather pattern, and it can change very, very quickly. 8 a.m. to noon, storms mainly in West Alabama, Birmingham through Jefferson, Shelby counties, Blount, Cullman, St. Clair through Chilton County about 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And then from Gadsden and Sylacauga, Anniston eastward, it's about noon to 4 p.m. when we think the stronger storms are pulling through that area. So here come the storms, 8 o'clock in Mississippi. Around 10 a.m. they're approaching the state line. This is all Friday, remember. Intense storms rolling right through Birmingham around noon to 1 o'clock on Friday afternoon. All along the way, the wind whipping upwards of 40 to 60 miles per hour. And it's going to stay breezy through Friday night because of all that strong gushing cold air headed this way. Look at the peak wind gusts that we're expecting. 10 a.m., 50 to 55 miles per hour, gusting as high as 60 to 65 in some cases within some of these thunderstorms. So alert weather on Friday. It's dry and cool over the weekend. More impact weather next week, a light wintry mix on Monday, and then it's just brutally cold on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.